Come Chat With Me, New York's #1 Caribbean lifestyle magazine.
Jamaica is a nice place to live. We have everything, the sunshine, the rivers, and the good Ray and Nephew rum.
Come chat with me.
You fell in love with my personality, didn't you?
We chat with D Angel and Coffee Black on their recently released video, Personality. Concerned friends of Percy Junior Hospital donate hospital equipment to Jamaica.
Alright, you don't know how your boy do already. Everything, they have everything already pre-ready. I'm gonna make some nice little strips, some nice little cut over, nice little strip. Cut them up real nice. You can go with any kind of steak you want.
This week's edition of Inna the Kitchen with celebrity chef Patrick Simpson features Grammy Award-winning American R&B quartet 112. And much, much more. You're watching Come Chat With Me, a Caribbean lifestyle magazine, and I'm your host, Ziggie Bless. The Angel has teamed up with Coffee Black on his latest single, Personality. The single speaks of a man falling in love with a woman's personality and not just her outward appearance. The video was shot and directed by Brooklyn's own Jimmy Blanco in New York City. You don't know, you're watching Come Chat With Me. You don't know, say we are like New York. See? And you don't know, Ziggie Bless are the host. Yeah, without a doubt. And you see this evening, the thing really special and mad. Yeah, me and me couldn't know that because we have The Angel in the house, seeing, and Coffee Black.
Coffee Black is is addictive, like coffee. See. Like when you're addicted to something. You know what I mean? So coffee, you're addicted to my music, you're addicted to me as a person. Like the song Personality, featuring The Angel, the First Lady. See me, I say. So that's what Coffee Black about.
I mean, a lot is going on. You know, so the success of No Worries With Me and Spice that got #1 viral all over the world. You know, so I mean, my reinvent. It's always good. Good music is always what really prevails. You understand? I know I'm connecting from North Carolina with Coffee Black, and me from Jamaica. I merge dancehall and hip hop on a different level. So you know, it's ever growing, just growing and just giving the people what they want, and that's what I do. And with is addictive with the coffee and the black and the First Lady of the Headstart merging a problem, man. So Personality, which is my latest video, is now out on my Vivo channel. It's out on YouTube and it's gone viral already. People loving the video. The video is sexy, and the song. What catches me about the song, and we never record the song in the same place. Coffee send the track to me, and I add my part to it. And when you listen it, it sounds like we were at the same place at the same time.
I say, you know, say it's shot.
Me for tell you about it. So right now, the world has a personality. Even men DMing me messages, quoting lines from the song. I'm like, okay then. Perv. We shot the video in Manhattan.
In Manhattan?
Yeah, Manhattan, yeah.
The whole thing in New York, Manhattan Street.
Manhattan Street. Everything shows.
Fifth Avenue, all them places them. You see me?
Central Park.
Central Park.
Nice views them and
nice views in it. A whole leap of them.
Because that's what we wanted. We wanted class, we wanted happiness, we wanted fun, and high fashion, and you know, just showing personality and and how a lady should look, and a man, you know, a man and a woman together.
The overall whole thing.
Yeah. You fell in love with my personality, didn't you?
Coffee Black fell in love with the personality. Coffee named the song.
He named the song.
Yeah, Coffee came up with the ideas. Yeah. Coffee came up with the ideas, but The Angel was the perfect, I should say, woman for that. Yeah. You know what I mean? So that's why I choose her, because her voice, everything, her personality. You know, so she was the right thing for it. You know what I mean?
Real man, a real thing, man.
Are the Angel this? Yes. And so alongside
Coffee Black.
And we're here to premiere our brand new video, Personality. So if you like my personality in this video, you know what to do. Right, Coffee? Tell
Yeah,
them about
man.
your personality. in the
Yo,
beginning.
my personality, turning, she like the way I look.
You like the way I look.
Love real, me not do no talking. Show your action.
Is this for real?
Yeah.
This really happened to me? Like seriously?
Girl, I like the way you look, but I fell in love with your heart. And you know about your body, your personality. Turn me on, turn me on.
I like the way you look.
Turn me on,
You turn me on. And I'm falling, baby. You captivate me with your charm. No rush, you make me a blush. Mutual feeling, tempted to touch. And me always I run from the naughty so much. But boy, you in a love. Now I'm gonna left me in a cool, you will be my sweater. You get me, you a go getter. I love good try, but to me you better. Boy, you a trendsetter.
For 23 years, Concerned Friends of Percy Junior Hospital, Inc. donates containers of hospital equipment to Jamaica.
Over 20 years ago, approximately 22 years ago, Mr. Rattray, who was the president, his mother was sick in Spalding Hospital, and they had no insulin, so he had to fly to Jamaica in order to take insulin to his mother. When he went there, when he saw the condition, he spoke with the then matron Mullins, and he told her of his intention. When he came back, he spoke with me, and we called a few friends, and that's how we got started. And every year for the past 22 years, we have been sending down at least one 40-foot container with bed, mattresses, soundries, equipment, you name it. The year before, we sent down two 40-foot containers with beds, mattresses, approximately 200 beds and mattresses we sent at that time.
In terms of the support that you have been getting over 23 years, right? In terms of the support, how is the support going from the people out here who knows about it?
Well, the support that we want, we're not getting the support, maybe because we're not that known. But we have been getting support from the community, and we need more support in terms of we need space to store the items we're getting. Right now, we're just using a garage, and the garage was not able to hold everything. And you see, we put the mattresses outside, and they got wet, and so half of the mattresses are not able to go. Yeah. So we're pleading to the public if they have any storage that they can help in that way. And also, we have fundraisers. Every year, we have at least one fundraiser in order for us to get the money together to ship the items to Jamaica. And when we ship it to Jamaica, we normally pay for the transportation from the wharf to the designated hospital. So we really need support. And if anyone who wants to support the cause, they could contact 718-252-1210. Again, 718-252-1210.
We've donated books to schools and to the libraries back home and to the libraries at the hospital. We send clothing to the infirmaries and to people who are in need on the island. Anything that we can get that we will send to Jamaica for those who are less fortunate and need that help, and food as well. We've sent food back home as well.
What really you want them to know, in what way they could assist with this project, which is a wonderful project, I must add. All right? What is it?
Okay, we need volunteers basically to come out, especially when we're packing, to come out and help us pack. But more than anything else, it's the donations. We need the funding to help us to collect the stuff and ship it to Jamaica, as well as we need a space, a warehouse space, to kind of help us to house these things until it's time to send those off, so stuff don't get damaged in the elements when it rains or snow or stuff like that. So if we could get that space, it will be a great thing for us. But funding is very essential as well, so that we can actually raise the funds.
Yeah. I Ziggie Bless for the good body girl them. See what I mean? Without a doubt. Yeah. Hopeful and bright, quiet and polite. A one man in on your side. Disrespect who them must be bright. A good body girl run the place. Good. Tell them say you no time to waste. Good. A good body girl run the place. Want make them think them and them they find your case.
Reach me in a life for calling blessing and but teach me in a life for calling lesson and learn. Black man I fight against black man, I say things that I'm never address when them talk. I'm coulda say things axe. To the top of forward, we ain't stepping back. Them hurt me already and it left impact big. I'm not the same, me you know the said young that. No my cross everything I ever I get that. All of them I hold on. Them no one see you get up from the cool ground. The pussy them we kill you in a cool blood. I make you think man enough you buy more gun. Go on, go on, my day I met on the podium. Rap it with and swing it like I'm poor. And go on, we do it again, another show them. And the vehicle on the brakes, I wanna slow down. When people switch, you know it ain't for believe. Now we are me hand, promise sleep, but when I'm gone, I want me reach there. And love me like no friend of that, and that a real thing. Me still know I mean it, you better believe it. My journey rough, you see my past kinda dark. Talk me not talk, cause my heart full and scarce. Who know it all when you rap it in a scarf. More time, I feel for rat, but I rap, me go rap. All of them I hold on. Them no one see you get up from the cool ground. The pussy them we kill you in a cool blood. I make you think man enough you buy more gun. Go on, go on, my day I met on the podium. Rap it with and swing it like I'm poor. And go on, we do it again, another show them. And the vehicle on the brakes, I wanna slow down. Just I need to get a youth, and if you ask smooth, I tell them from the start, the amount of time them double cross me. No, me I really would, me no need for telling that. Some of them talk when them want, come in no care as long as God see. You have a thing in a life for them not give people blind, but we not give in a time. No time. We want no rich people smile, no want a 15 to life. We want big Jeep for drive. Make it from the slum and live in the life. And I'm queen eye, Papa champagne for nice. Get on you the limit is the sky. No make them defeat your mind. No want flights after flights. All of them I hold on. Them no one see you get up from the cool ground. The pussy them we kill you in a cool blood. I make you think man enough you buy more gun. Go on, go on, my day I met on the podium. Rap it with and swing it like I'm poor. And go on, we do it again, another show them. And the vehicle on the brakes, I wanna slow down. But reach me in a life for calling blessing and but teach me in a life for calling lesson and listen. Black man I fight against black man, I say things that I'm never address when them talk. I'm coulda say things axe. And to the top of forward, we ain't stepping back. Them hurt me already and it left impact. I'm not the same, me I know the said young that. No my cross everything I ever I get that.
Atta Road.
You see this week in the kitchen, and mad things again in the kitchen. One more time again, because I don't know over one in the kitchen, see?
I want 12 at do it, you know.
Oh gosh, man.
I want 12 at do it.
Mad things.
Mr. What? Peaches and cream.
Them for know the ladies, them better get ready again. You see what I mean? So what going in the kitchen this week, Chef Carl?
Well, this week, you know, my youth, Mr. May I change up the game totally, because this week, I go with a pepper steak. You know, pepper steak. But I put a little bit of twist on it with some marshmallow. I'm going to also marinate with some Corona and some raisin. I turn pepper steak, turn on it. over, me I turn it over. Me I turn it over. Everything I gonna sell out. So here what you want to stick around and watch what got me right now.
Yeah.
You alright?
Which part?
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
Alright, now you don't know how your boy do already. Everything, they have everything already pre-ready. I'm gonna make some nice little strips, some nice little cut over, nice little strip. Cut them up real nice. You can go with any kind of steak you want. You can go with a skirt steak, you can go with a fillet. I know in Jamaica, we have all different kind of cut of steak we want to use. And pepper steak are something what Jamaicans definitely love. We definitely love this. And this is something to cook real easy. I'm gonna cut off some of the fat. Cut away some of the fat because we want this to have a nice flavor to it. Alright, then I'm gonna grab my bowl. I'm gonna season up this bad boy. Some salt. Alright. A little bit of obey. I'll grab the seasoning spices we have over here. So ready? Some garlic powder. Some onion powder. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of pepper flakes. Then I go for my fresh garlic. Bam, 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 fresh garlic. Some thyme. Go for the thyme right now. And normally them something you can make them something and marinate from like overnight. Make it marinate real good. I'm gonna go for a little bit of oil over him. Alright, that's it. Right, rub this bad boy in. As you don't know, I'm a browning. I go for a little bit of a browning. The browning also mixed with my steak sauce. A little bit of the browning inside of the steak sauce because I want to give it that nice flavor. Alright, mix that bad boy up. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna wipe off my hand. Make sure my hand nice and clean. Then I'm gonna come right over here in our pot. I'm gonna trim this. Nice. So you don't know already? As Mr. Me, I put a little bit of twist for my steak, for my pepper steak. So I change it up a little bit and drizzle a little bit of my jerk season on it. A little bit of my jerk season on it. One of my brand what I like to use to. Drizzle them up with some nice Corona. Alright, look on that, look on that, look on that, look on that, good. Look on that, good. Not trouble me, a different kind of chef. Different kind of chef. That's like I said with everything. Same thing I said with the card, even with the ID card. Sometimes you go someplace, you have to change up and you have to get adjusted to certain things. I'm not just a Jamaican chef, international. International. I'll put a little bit of my Tabasco. Give it a nice little kick of spice away from the jerk. Season that's inside. Finish them off with my nice scallion. Make it look real good. Real good and looking real pretty. A little bit more Corona. Nice. Alright. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Just imagine the flavor that's bursting over that. Alright, and I'm gonna serve this with some nice jasmine rice and some nice steamed veg. Real simple and real nice. And listen, you're definitely gonna enjoy this. It's something totally different. What you know about marshmallow? What you know about marshmallows? Right on top of your pepper steak. Don't get it twisted. Keep it locked right there.
Hey, what's up? I'm Sharice Marie, and we are here at the legendary BB King's tonight to see the, well, legendary 112. I'm here at a very, very poignant time in their career. They're touring again. There's a lovely crowd outside, and they can't wait to see, obviously, 112.
Let me show you that I feel you. Wanna sex, wanna ride with me. Wanna sex, wanna put my lips on. Can't get enough of you. Always to give you. So sweet, so very wet, so good, you make me sweat. Gonna talk about bitches and free. That's right. Know what I mean? We just ain't free. Girl, you taste so good to me.
What they know about this? They're not ready for this yet, man. They're not ready for this yet. They're not ready for this. Let me give them a little bit of this. Alright. Look what I'm mad them now. I bet I can mad them now. Right? Now. Listen, you know how with me in at the kitchen. I saw with me in at the kitchen. Your boy right here, Chef Patrick, closing on for another week. Don't get it twisted. You know, come chat with me in at the kitchen. Keep it locked.
You're watching Straight Buzz New York, and you don't know I'm Ziggie Bless. And this week, we're going to find out why is it important for all the Caribbean people them to send back things to the Caribbean that them come from, alright? Through donation, alright? So donate up the things them right here on Straight Buzz New York. Keep it locked. Boom. You're watching Straight Buzz New York. What's your name?
Felicia Mullings.
And which island you're from?
Jamaica.
Alright, Jamaica. My question is, do you think it is important for Caribbean people to donate, to send back stuff to their Caribbean through donation?
I totally agree with that because it helps the people who are in the country and out in the Caribbean who cannot afford healthcare especially and who are less fortunate than we are here.
I think it's very important. You know, I think that we need to support each other.
Yeah.
And sometimes like wherever we are, we can have things where other people, they don't have them. So over here, like we have supplies that we're able to give back.
Yeah.
And it's definitely going to help. Like in the hospitals, I know like a lot of the hospitals back home, they don't have a lot of supplies. And this is one way that we can help them to have things that they don't have so that when people are hurt, that they can be okay.
Sure. Yeah, man, Straight Buzz New York. What going on, brother?
I'm there, you know.
Real, man.
About the situation, you know.
How your name?
Donald Thompson, my name, you know.
From which one?
I'm Stone Hill, Upper St. Andrew, and Stone Hill area, you know.
All right, my brother.
Yeah, man,
all right.
Stone Hill people, you know.
See it there? Yeah. Stone Hill, big up. All right, my question is, you think it's important for Caribbean people to send back stuff to the Caribbean through donation?
100%, man, 100%. Because it's not all about the government to do everything. People they over in the state and them fortunate they can send certain amount of things and have to pressure themselves, you know. And can send how little them have, you see me? And that can help you back home. No care how much they can send, it still help. You understand? Because you have youth them in the ghetto and you have the less fortunate, you know? Yeah. Send back a little and it will help. When the checker start the end of the day, it better off the country.
Yeah, man. So there you have it on Straight Buzz for this week, see? So yeah, the people them say, donate up the things them, man. So what if a thing want to have them in the house and they never use them again? You know what I mean? Find them organization and send it to them, give it to them so they can send it to the people in Jamaica or wherever in the Caribbean that them come from. See? Right here on Straight Buzz New York. Ziggie Bless. Come chat with me. New York's #1 Caribbean lifestyle magazine.
Jamaica is a nice place to live. We have everything, the sunshine, the rivers, and the good Ray and Nephew rum.
Come chat with me. Thanks for watching. Come chat with me. See you next week.
Everybody feel it now. Pain, I feel. Been through pain all of my life. The day is bright yet still fall night. Life is a fight but me still catch flights. Long live Queenie, which is right. Life is a lesson every day teach. If you never feel pain, me will pay your feet. Today I will still I do it, me no fear defeat. Pain, I feel. It's all in the game. Pain, you feel pain. Pain, I feel.
Pain and clutch in the dark. People fuck up on me head, not tough. Me lucky, my smart. I'ma know my off, I feel it could go with the talk. Now give them heart again, me know I say fuck with go on. You cool now. Me done with the world now. Better me links and me alien. Me done with the heart now. Me show them love, me get nothing so how that they work out. But they not the stew, nobody fuck with my nerves, no, 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 no,
Pain, I feel pain. Pain, it's all in the game. Pain, you feel pain. Pain, I feel. I can feel pain, but I can't feel pain. We can feel God, but we can't feel God. I can feel love, but I can't feel love. We can breathe here, but we can't see here.
nobody not feel them pain, ya dog. Problem come down one day, they even pass. Try finna to overthink because now go make the fuck you stream my thoughts.
Pain, I feel.
Simply Kells.
Come chat with me. New York's #1 Caribbean lifestyle magazine.
Jamaica is a nice place to live. We have everything, the sunshine, the rivers, and the good Ray and Nephew rum.
Come chat with me. Founder and CEO of Golden Crust, author of The Baker's Son, a philanthropist, a father, a husband, a friend.
Lowell is
a tribute to Lowell author.
And I think that history will be kind to him, and history will record all of what a young black man coming from Jamaica as an immigrant has done on behalf of the city of New York.
It's a nice milk. I want to get some flavor, some lemon, the toasted lemon. I'm going to put my roasted tomato in already. Nice. Some nice Parmesan.
This week's edition of Inna the Kitchen with celebrity chef Patrick Simpson features British-Australian soft rock duo Air Supply. Vegan reggae sensation Maccabee was in New York for several meets and greets, and we caught up with him in Queens at Veggie Castle.
I stopped eating meat, so I started to think about the animals and all those kind of things and what it's doing to my body.
You're watching Come Chat With Me, a Caribbean lifestyle magazine, and I'm your host, Ziggie Bless. His vision was to take the taste of the Caribbean to the world. We highlight Lowell Hawthorne's achievements and what he meant to the diaspora.
Sometimes mere words cannot express the heartfelt emotions. Such is the case when it comes to discussing the untimely death of Lowell Hawthorne. I came to know him through his support of the many community ventures that he was a part of, especially CEEN, the Caribbean International Network. He participated in most of the annual CEEN lectures at the Schomburg Center for Research in Black Culture in New York City.
He cuts a very handsome figure wherever you see him. He looks as good in a tailored suit as he does in a wig on Undercover Boss.
Thank you very much, the extraordinary Master of Ceremonies, Bob. I am certainly, thank you again, Stephen, for having chosen the Paddy Man to do this introduction. Therefore, I will endeavor to keep my address or my remarks short and spicy and have you longing for more, just like a golden crust patty.
His eloquent introductions of each year's presenters was an annual highlight. In fact, one year, Lowell was actually the keynote speaker, discussing the values of entrepreneurship and community development. During his memorable presentation, he drew on his autobiography, The Baker's Son, My Life in Business, where he talked about the struggles of going from a small shop to building multiple stores and the precarious nature of trying to build a business in a tough economic environment and to go where others had not gone with Jamaican product, patties, breads, cakes, etc. Wherever he went, he was an inspiration. For young people, he was a role model. For entrepreneurs, he was a mentor.
Golden Cross trusted in Irish Jam 25 years ago, and that's one of my first clients, and they're still there with me today.
He always, whenever he and I talk, it's not on a daily basis though, but whenever, he always implore me to look, man, just sky's the limit, man, just go there, even go back to the school thing, because listen, it creates a medium for me to work and go to school, get a good degree, and whereby I have got to fall back on if say. For some reason,
Yes.
And I'm tired of this business or something like that, which I'm not, I enjoy being in the Golden Cross organization.
For those in the community, he was a shining light as to what you can do with your resources to make the world a better place.
I am enormously pleased to have everybody here celebrating the 12th Annual Excellent Gala. I'm glad that you have chosen to spend this evening with us. You being here tells me you have embraced the vision of our foundation, which is to ensure that our youth is not deprived of education. It's unfortunate that every young white student has the privilege of a college education. So many are being held back because of economic hardship. That is the reason why this foundation has vowed to continue to do its part to ensure that more and more brilliant students like Adam Faye get the opportunity they deserve.
I heard, as I said, from a Golden Cross Foundation scholarship through my high school counselor, Leanne Arias, and my assistant principal, Megan Williams, who kind of pushed me in order to apply for a scholarship because I needed it in order to pay for my financial aid, as I do not qualify for the New York State financial aid. And it was kind of inspiring for me when I applied and I heard back one day during my community hour that I received a Golden Cross scholarship. And I was so excited because I needed it in order to pay for financial aid and not only that, books and MetroCard.
In spite of the burden of being pulled into so many directions because of his gifts and talent and charitable spirit, he always had a delightfully open personality, a smile for all, and always took the time to talk with the many who wanted to learn from his vast and deep experiences.
Lowell has been a son, a friend, a confidant. I have been an encourager and a supporter from day one in the establishment of this business. And so I know the contribution he's made to the city of New York, to the United States of America, not to compare to all that he's done on behalf of the Caribbean. His leadership for the University of the West Indies Foundation, the many youngsters that he's educated here with his own family scholarship in the name of his parents. Lowell is an icon, and I think that history will be kind to him, and history will record all of what a young black man coming from Jamaica as an immigrant has done on behalf of the city of New York for the franchises that he's built. I know when somebody's a game changer for our people and in our community, I think that Lowell will be known for just taking an idea and turning it into a dream for many, many people.
He was a great friend of mine. He was a person who I could call, or anyone could call who knows him well. He was a family person. He takes care of anybody who comes to him for help. In particular, his family, his relatives. He was there for them. Lowell and I have good times. We've been on cruises. We've been to so many places that I shan't forget. Is one individual that this country will miss.
As the tributes have been pouring in, many have had much to say about his kindness and his generous spirit. And I guess the words coming from the Golden Cross family best describe the legacy. And I quote, "Lowell was a visionary, entrepreneur, community champion, and above all, a committed father, family man, friend, and man of faith. He will be greatly missed, and we all mourn for the family at their loss and for the Golden Cross family and for all those who know of the great spirit, Laurel Hawthorne."
Man, welcome again to another week of Inna the Kitchen. See? You don't know Chef Patrick Simpson. And a Ziggie Bless. And the vibes always nice in the kitchen. So what I want Chef in the kitchen
listen,
this
man.
week?
Listen,
man. The vibes are good up.
Ear supply, man. Old school, love,
Let me tell you,
music.
I really Ziggie Bless I talk to ear supplies later.
Yeah, man, and you ever talk to them, man. Them man, are
big
veteran, man, big
things for Ziggie Bless in the kitchen. I want to do now.
Listen, man, I'm here to turn it up on the stove. This week, as you know already, I always come with something totally different. Something about some crawfish, fettuccine, with some roasted tomato. Listen, man, it's gonna be wicked.
in the kitchen.
You don't know what you're going to do already. You change it up a little bit. Change them up. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Then with some pepper. Make them look real nice. Alright. Some red pepper. Cut them up. Make them look real nice. That way though. Because we want them to have a nice, I'm going to go with a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper too. A little bit of Scotch bonnet. You see me? Nice Scotch bonnet pepper. A little bit of black pepper. Simple, keep them simple. Some garlic powder. Also go with some fresh garlic. Because you don't know already. I'll change them up a little bit. And then I'll go with my crawfish. Nice crawfish. You can use lobster. You can use crawfish. You can use shrimp. Alright. Make them look real nice. Go with a little bit of my clarified wine butter. Nice. Turn up my stove a little bit. Everything here is simple and easy, and you follow along. Go with my fresh thyme. I want the flavor stand out, and I want the flavor stand out. My roasted tomato. I'm gonna put my roasted tomato in already. Nice. These are done marinated already with some nice Chardonnay wine. Make them look real good. And this is actually the flavor from the tomato with the wine inside of it. Alright, sell it. A little bit of marinara. A little bit of marinara. Beautiful. Keep it just like that. Some nice Parmesan. Keep it just like that. Nice and simple. Beautiful. Fettuccine ready. You see me? So keep in touch and stay right here. When we come back, we're going to right into plating, presentation, and finish them off. Don't get it twisted.
I'm from Jamaica, by the way, and we love Air Supply in Jamaica.
Yeah, we've been there many times. It's one of our favourite spots in the world. Everybody's always been very gracious, and they love our music. You guys love our music, so it's great.
How has that journey been for so many years, touring and all of that?
Well, after a while, after as long as we've been doing it, we get into a rhythm of what you have to do before the show. Yeah. We travel all over the world still. We love our work. We love singing Graham's songs. He's over there, folks. And our audiences are fantastic to us, so we're motivated every night to be as good as we can be for our audience.
The moment when you both step off stage into the crowd, how was that energy out there?
You never know what's going to happen, and a lot of people have seen us before, so they know what to expect. But for those of them that haven't seen the show before, it's a great connection for us. It breaks the barrier between the stage and the audience. And I've seen a million acts, and they perform great, but I may as well stay home and listen to the record. We like to be physical with the audience and involve them as much as we can. It's always a great moment for us, and we've been doing it for many, many years now.
Watch this now. Now listen to what I say. Whatever them tell you. Now listen to the rumor. Now listen to the rumor. Now listen to the rumor. That's how we agree. We'll finish him off. Right there, sir. We'll finish him off now. Some nice virgin olive oil. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. In the kitchen, your boy right here, Chef Patrick, closing out for another week. Don't get it twisted. Come chat with me. in the kitchen. Keep it locked.
Yeah. I Ziggie Bless for the good body girl them. See what I mean? Without a doubt. Yeah. Hopeful and bright. Quiet and polite. A one man in on your side. Disrespect who them must be bright. Right. A good body girl run the place. Good. Tell them say you not time to waste. Good. A good body girl run the place. What make them think them and them they find your case?
Say she love the body. She long on tight tongue and she shake when the clock cheap. Loyal girl when me turn in her dark she. So she done with love and she want so cocky. I'ma tell her about my type of girl. The gun cut up on the right side of. Just suck the cocky with a right type of vibe. That pussy type and I live in a yard for the whole week. Shake it up. Me nah joke, I'm with my girl. Shake it up.
Catch it on the bed, stand up, charge bust the key, insta rapid burst, make the belly start, come done with the husband. Say she never fuck with a gunman. Punish town, the killer come from, make it stand pan a long stallion. She no care valiant, want give me everything when she have one run millions. Pan it down, in a couple of a bag, natural, some stay, some tan.
Bad girl fuck on the rooftop, fucking at the car when the roof drop. She a wine her waist, make up her face, cock in her belly, I'ma pull her hair. I'ma tell her about my type of girl. The gun cut up on the right side of. Just suck the cocky with a right type of vibe. That pussy type and I live in a yard for the whole week. Shake it up. Me nah joke, I'm with my girl. Shake it up. Bad girl was so cocky, don't pierce. Well on, I make my pop in her face. Mascara they all over my waist. I'm a choke on her, I'm spitting her face. I dash like, so she drive for the happy eyes. But my fuck her and she call her father.
Hear me now, valiant type moji of cheerly by a landslide, my god. My tongue not in a idiot Barbie doll. Rabbi do my pinky finger and I want to such man. Say she rather her side, man a husband a waste a time of that.
Bad girl fuck on the rooftop, fucking at the car when the roof drop. She a wine her waist, make up her face, cock in her belly, I'ma pull her hair. I'ma tell her about my type of girl. The gun cut up on the right side of. Just suck the cocky with a right type of vibe. That pussy type and I live in a yard for the whole week. Shake it up. Me nah joke, I'm with my girl. Shake it up.
Yeah man, you're watching Straight Buzz New York. And you don't know, as Ziggie Bless saying, and we're in the city today. Yeah, and we have to find out from the people them, and who are them favorite reggae artists. You see what I mean? So no better keep it locked. A Straight Buzz New York, of course. And you don't know, as Ziggie Bless. How are you today?
I'm okay.
Nice. And what is the name?
Angelo.
Ooh, Angela, it sounds like a Jamaica you come from.
I am Jamaica.
Which part of Jamaica?
Stone.
Johnstone.
12.
See it there? Alright. My question is, who's your favorite reggae artist?
Buju Banton.
Oh, be a Buju so. Why Buju?
I love Buju man, I come here and Buju. I know Buju when I do show New Kingston. And we usually go watch him. Back in the days we are young girl, I am a young boy, just a come up. Yeah, so till now, anywhere the stage show there. Yeah. Come to New York, anyway, they will find him, we miss him so bad.
Find him? So we say, free Buju Banton?
Yeah, free Buju Banton.
Alright.
Buju Banton.
Buju Banton. Why is Buju Banton your favorite?
Because he's one of the greatest artists out there. He speaks really truth. His music is really truth. Yeah. And he's a popular singer.
Buju. You know, say you're the third person say Bojo. Bojo Banton. For real, why Bojo?
Alright, because I'm a man, you listen to all of the other people, them record them, like the Vibes Cartel, Party Man, Drugs Man, sometimes mostly slackness. You listen to the other virgin them, you know, them talk about gun and most of them sound like hip-hop artists. You go back, Beanie Man to me sell out long time. Bojo are the only artist. Forget what I do with the drug business and get locked up for. But if you listen to all of Bojo them record them compared to all of the other virgin them come around theme time, I have to say Bojo.
What going on, brother?
Yes, everything blessed.
What are your name?
Peter.
Yeah, Peter from, which are you forward from?
Well, Queens, Manhattan, Brooklyn, all about.
Which island?
Jamaica straight.
Jamaica straight, man. Which part of Jamaica?
Well, Papi, you know.
The bigger Papi, you know, man.
Well, Papi, you know, what yourself, you know. Because I'm me, you know, the original Thai, you see? Bless.
All right, my brother. Who are your favorite artists?
Well, Freddie, Capitan, you know, Sisline and Butcher, you know, big man. Them man that hold it, so. Yeah. You know, Lucian, you can't leave him out, you know.
Yeah. You don't know it going on. So, you know, say, Bob Marley is my biggest artist of all time, you see me? King of reggae, because he's my prophet and he's a good singer from Wailing Wailers there, me listening to Sir Coxson's days, you know, so he's my favorite reggae singer of all time, you know?
Straight bus New York, see? So we talk to the people and we find out that Bojo Banton still current. Although them then lock up, trust me, the people them say Bojo Banton are them favorite artists. So when you hear me, keep it locked right here. The viral success of his single Cucumber surpassed 43 million views on Facebook since its release.
Cucumber. Vitamins, minerals, very high numbers. Silica, hair and nails get longer. Other vitamins make your bones them stronger. Anti-wrinkle make you look younger.
Macka B is a true global messenger for healthy eating, utilizing social media, YouTube for its Medical Mondays, and Wami Eat Wednesdays.
And green algae.
Fans came out to Queens for Veggie Castle's live remote session with Irish Jam Radio.
Right off of the Van Wyck. Just like 2 blocks from the Van Wyck, and we're in Queens, New York at the Veggie Castle. And Veggie Castle is always a place where, if you've never been to the Veggie Castle before, you definitely need to come check it out, because we're talking about strictly vegetarian. Because as the man said, ital is vital. We don't hear this kind of lyrics anywhere else in reggae music right now. What's the inspiration?
Yeah, well, as you see, the album is called Health is Wealth. And it's not all of the album is food related, but it's nutritional, it's educational, it's social, and it's cultural. Cucumber. Give me one now.
Cucumber.
Alright, how we go? Vitamins, minerals, very high numbers. Silica, hair and nails get longer. Other vitamin make your bone them stronger. Anti-wrinkle make you look younger. 95% water. Kidney cleanser, great hydrator. Detox fiber, good regulator. Give your body good things, don't be a traitor.
Hi, I'm Jackie. I'm from Queens, New York. I came here to see Macka B because I've been following him for a few years now. I found him on YouTube one day. I was looking to see if there was any vegan reggae out there, and I found his song What We Eat, and I've been following him ever since then.
Greetings, we're here with Come Chat With Me TV with a famous artist going by the name of Macka B. Macka B, how are you today?
Blessed love Empress, I'm good, give thanks.
Yes, you are very good. 30 years in the business, I understand, and a lot of hit records under your belt. What are you working on now?
Yeah, we got the brand new album, Health is Wealth. It's on the Green Sleeves and VP label, you know. It's on all formats, download, CDs and vinyl as well, you know.
So tell me what's special about this newest album of yours.
Well, Macka B has suddenly become like a viral, you know, social media star, you know.
You know, I noticed, I think you have over 400,000 followers, maybe more than that on the social networks.
Facebook, yeah. I got that on Facebook, 150,000 on Instagram, and lots on Twitter, you know. And a lot of it is to do with these posts that I've been doing about what me eat Wednesdays, encouraging people to have vegan meals, and medical Mondays, telling people the medicinal values of fruit and vegetable, and people just gravitating towards it, you know, and feeling the vibe. Well, I've always been into health, you know, like from I was 16, I stopped eating meat, you know, so I started to think about the animals and all those kind of things and what it's doing to my body. Stop the fish, stop the dairy products, and become full-fledged vegan and ITAL, you know, so I see the benefits that it's done for me, and I just wanted to pass on those benefits to people. There's a few health songs. There's Health is Wealth, which is a taiko track. There's Cucumba, you know, which went viral, yeah. There's What Me Eat remix, telling people all the things vegans can eat, you know. But there's also a track called Lyrical Chef, where I'm saying that I'm a chef, but with my lyrics, you know. I cook up the lyrics and season up the melodies and those kind of things with, you know. And there's some social commentary on there as well, you know, and there's conscious style on there, you know, so it's Maccabee, you know, the full Maccabee spectrum.
Come Chat With Me, New York's #1 Caribbean lifestyle magazine.
Jamaica is a nice place to live. We have everything, the sunshine, the rivers, and the good Ray and Nephew rum.
Come chat with me. Thanks for watching Come Chat With Me. See you next week.
I'm a sneakers. Don't step on my sneakers. Watch my sneakers. Don't step on my sneakers. Step on the party while I clean to my socks. Everything from the jeans to the top. A gal see me, she a snake, she a chat. Watch your step, give me 6 feet up on my sneakers. Don't step on my sneakers. Watch my sneakers. Don't step on my sneakers. Swing your right foot, then you swing your left. Tag your friend in, make them do they dance next. We just have fun, this a no contest. Let me see your feet flex. Yeah, watch out when my pop out. Step on my sneakers and you get knocked out. 3 shots of Casamigos, make me tap out. Lace up my shoes to the top with the strap out.